Hi guys, it's me again. Good morning. It's time for me to chill and feel the vibe of the beach. So, as of today, we were going to Lingayen Beach together with my Ness and nephew. Ang mga bida-bida. Yan. So, na-miss nyo ba sila? Na-miss nyo ba sila? Hindi ko sila na-miss. Charis! So ngayon, ito yung mga pagkain namin na nandito si Tisay. Hi! Tara muna, magbabiyahe muna kami. Perfect.
Alibuan na sa likod ko.